Hi guys, welcome to How to Design a PowerPoint by me, Marissa Lander. Leonardo da Vinci said, "Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication." With this PowerPoint, I'm going to show you 3 great points on how to make your PowerPoint keep and hold your viewers' attention. Those 3 points are pictures, fonts, and bullet points, and empty space. With your pictures, always use high quality pictures. Never use clip art. Always make sure that your picture correlates to your topic or slide that you are discussing. You don't want your viewer to be distracted trying to figure out what the picture has to do with what you're actually talking about. Fonts and bullet points. With your fonts, never use more than 2 different fonts in any slide. It will get too busy and it will throw off the vibe of your clean, simplistic looking visual you are trying to accomplish. Now, when you're using bullet points, never have more than 6 on any given slide. If you give the viewer too much information at once, they will become distracted and confused. When using empty space, it's a good thing to use because it gives your viewer something to draw their eye to. When you have an area that has nothing and then bam, there's this main point, you've got their attention, which is what you want since most of us don't have a long attention span anyways. So remember, as long as you use good quality pictures, a maximum of 2 fonts on any given slide or PowerPoint presentation, 6 bullet points maximum on any slide, and use your empty space to your advantage. You'll be able to make a great PowerPoint and you will be able to keep your attention of your viewers. So who's ready to make their own attention-keeping PowerPoint? Have a great day, guys, and remember, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication.